Sir! Sir!
Yes?
Can you come in the woods with me? Do you want to play with one of my toys?
Yes.
So guys, right here I have the Iron Man drone. This is an official product from the new Avengers movie, Avengers Endgame. It's made by a company called Rise. They are partnered with DJI on their website. So that's where I got this. If you're interested, I'll put links in the description below. I also picked up some extra batteries and a controller to make flight way easier. It makes me wonder, are drones going to be a big part of the movie? Because typically when you see toys come out before the movie, it's kind of a hint. Like, why would they release this now? And there is a training mission, which I haven't done, so let's do it. You can see that there is the first training mission that's uncompleted and the rest of them are locked. The first is very simple. So we just have to take off. Take off. And then it mentions the virtual controller, but I can use the physical controller as well. It says follow your flight path on your radar. So it wants us to go forward, which unfortunately there is a suited man and a tripod in front of us. So now it says turn the drone around and land. So there we go, very simple. And it's pretty cool, like I said, it has the voice of Friday, so you kind of feel like you're Tony Stark flying a drone. But the tutorials are very basic, but this is a good way to understand how the drone works, understand all the features. Take a photo, oh. It's actually pretty good. Like, obviously it's not gonna be good, but that's what it looks like. Like, it's not as bad as I expected. Okay, so now turn the drone around. So literally all that mission was literally the same as before, but just taking a picture. So, whoa! I said it was easy, but apparently I can't fly. So it kind of holds your hand, which is good if you're, you know, younger or new to drones. So there's a circle mode. Record a short video while flying in a circle. So it's flying in a circle. It's cutting it close to that tree though. And I'm pretty sure it doesn't have any sensors, so it's not gonna know. Like, it's about to run into a ladder, I think. Well, nope, we're good. And you can see it is kind of unsteady in the wind. And also the prop guards are more so designed for inside. Outside, it's gonna make it a lot harder to control. But that is cool. You can see it just did a full like 360-degree shot. Up and away. Find an open area without obstacles. Oh, we got tons of them, but let's try. There is a cancel button, so if you feel afraid, you can always cancel it. At least it's not going up very high. Oh, that was easy. When you're used to like sports mode on a Mavic 2 Pro or something that goes like 45 miles an hour, this is kind of boring in my opinion, but I mean, like I said, this is a great beginner drone. You're not gonna really be able to injure anybody. You won't be able to injure yourself. Ah! If the drone hits something, it has prop guards, so it's probably gonna be okay. If the drone gets totaled, the price is a lot easier to stomach than thousands for a normal drone. So I've been recording for like 14 minutes and I just got the low battery warning. So that's pretty good with a mini drone. Typically, from what my experience is, it's just been a few minutes. But what I also did, guys, I also picked up a few more batteries. With these mini drones, they do take a while to charge. So if you have friends over or you just want to enjoy yourself, if you wait for this thing to charge, which it does charge via micro USB, so you could charge in your car or with a battery pack, but it just still takes a while. And now I can show you the rest of the flips. So we're at full battery life. I can do the 8D flips. So swiping left, swiping right, swiping up, swiping down, swiping diagonal, I guess, if it's 8D. Whoa, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so we're swiping down left, up left, down right. That's really cool. So you can basically swipe in every plane. And also, guys, there is a land button if you just want to do touch to land. So you just basically tap to land and it will land. But then also you can do tap in your hand. So we'll be dramatic. If you're in an area that you can't land it. You just do land, hand landing, and it will recognize your hand and land. So all you gotta do, it's called throw and go. So you toss the aircraft and it'll hover in place. So pretty simple. This could go really wrong. The drone may get destroyed, but I have faith. So you tap it, and you tap this thing, and you throw it. So, depending on where you're flying, you can either land it in your hand or take it off from your hand. And it also flies pretty high, but keep in mind that the quality will get really bad and jerky. And I'm also very paranoid of losing connection over my house and then it landing on my roof. But as far as connection for Wi-Fi and drone-based toys go, this is great. Like, you'll have a great time in your backyard, out in a field. Of course, if you're away from like Wi-Fi interference, it's going to do a lot better. So the drone's also probably experiencing interference from my Wi-Fi and the neighbors. So that's another thing to keep in mind. So guys, this drone is so easy to fly. I'm going to ask this random guy that's watching me film from several meters away, just on the sidewalk, to fly it. He's never flown this drone before, so we're gonna see how easy it is to test out. Sir! Sir!
Yes?
Can you come in the woods with me? And that's how you make friends.
Alright, let's go. I got nothing better to do.
Do you want to play with one of my toys?
Yes.
So, to be serious guys, this is my husband's son, Nicholas. He's been in some videos before. He has his own channel. Want to plug?
Hi, my name is Nicholas. I am a part of a channel called B&D Productions. We're currently working on a movie. It's called Suppressed. So you can go check that out if you'd like. It's in the works. Currently we do little side projects here or there as well. We also do events and wedding services. So you guys will see that, so go ahead and check it out.
So based off of what I flew before of yours, the quality is actually a lot better than I anticipated. Usually with smaller drones like this, you expect like 240p resolution and it just to be really low frame rate. But I was genuinely surprised when I saw the resolution on this. Of course, it's not like the highest end footage possible, but for something this size, it's really good, I would say. Well, right now I'm doing line of sight just to get the quick feel of it.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna do the screen next. I wanna make sure I have my hands in a good place so I'm used to it. So it's definitely a little bit harder on here, but I think it's because with your eyes, you can just kind of flow with it. And every time you go back and forth with this, the camera is just kind of moving back and forth. So it's a little disorienting, but for being only my first time, it doesn't seem that difficult.
Now throw it. He's having some trouble.
It's okay. It's actually not damaged at all. Don't give me that look, okay?
How do you feel?
Guilty.
How do you feel?
I feel guilty. Don't be mad at me.
Good.
It's okay. Look, I'm sure they designed it so it's going to be durable.
Hit the like button.
What?
Tell them to hit the like button.
Hit the like button and subscribe to the best tech YouTube channel on the internet.
To help pay for the drone you damaged.
Yes.
Okay guys, that's about it for now. This is the official Iron Man drone from the Infinity War movie, Endgame. If you like this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing all types of tech videos. I also have a second channel I just created. I'm gonna have personal content over there. So if that's your thing, if you like following my life, I'm gonna start uploading content there as well. Have a great day guys. See you later. Bye.